We finna activate. You see that? Trakiana, come on, steering. Stop playing with me. Activation. This my highway, bro. I'm cutting up. Getting cut up in this. This is my E-way, bro. These videos is not real. These videos is all fake. It's just your imagination. I do not got no scat. I do not go over 100 miles an hour. This video right here is fake. So let's get to this non-fiction and stop playing. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode, man. It's your boy Q Malone. You already know. You see the GoPro, the quality camera we got now, man. We back in action. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I got a nice little POV drive for y'all, man. I said, you know what? I'm finna pop out in the scat. I might as well. Hold on. Let's hear this first. I know you hear that monster. I know you hear that monster, you feel? Look. Hey. We got a decent little highway POV. I don't really gotta go on the highway to get to my destination, but today we finna hop on the highway, man. Anything for the family, you know what I'm saying? Anything to get a family what y'all want, what y'all need, you know what I'm saying? Hey, first and foremost, man, I appreciate all the views, all the likes, all the comments, man, all the subscriptions, y'all. Hey, we've been going up these past couple weeks. These past couple weeks, I done gained at least, once I started this 2 weeks ago, I done gained at least like 80 subscribers, man. Hey, we finna go up even higher, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't expecting that. I appreciate all the views, man. I appreciate all the subscribes, man. I appreciate everything. So, hey, like always, like, comment, subscribe to this video, to this channel. For all the new people, I'm definitely got something to work for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for sure. First and foremost, I'm Q Malone, if you didn't know. I got a Scatpack, man, a nice, beautiful blue Scatpack. It's dirty right now, so I really don't want to show y'all, for real, what it's looking like. I'm skeptical, you know what I'm saying? Not skeptical, I'm talking shit. Hey, but for real, let me fix my view so y'all get a better view of what's going on right now. Yeah, y'all can see like that. We gonna get this POV riding. If y'all want me to do other videos, like put in the comments right now if you want me to do like how much money I put in my scat when it's on an empty tank, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people want to know. A lot of people done commented and said, you know, I want a scat, I want this type of car, I want to, you know, what type of job you do to afford this type of thing. If you want me to go more in depth about, you know, how I got this V, you know what I'm saying, just comment and say, hey, do this type of video. I can do how much gas I put in the scat, how much my monthly payments is. I can hook y'all up and let y'all know, so I'll be very transparent with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Let me put my stuff in. Hey, we warming up, you know what I'm saying? As we continue to go, this is gonna get crazy. Bumping that D-low, but since we in here, you know what I'm saying? Let me hey, motherfuckers don't know about my boy Nip. Come on now. I'm finna bump him, just, you know what I'm saying? I told bro I was finna play his shit, you feel me? I told bro. If y'all can't see right there, you know what I'm saying? Nip G, you feel me? Go holler at my boy.
My phone, my nephew told me I stink. I told him Kush is my cologne. Put my phone on D&D. That should be leave me alone. I don't feel no bitch for leaving me.
I don't even gotta hit the highway, but we finna hit the highway though. I need to take another link out this month.
I'm trying to get a bitch my bone. Better speak to me with caution. Watch your tone. I don't want to rent.
Don't worry about it. What they doing over here? They having a party. Man, we got the sunroof open too. We finna go kick it, you feel me? Let me change my shit, cause we know niggas like to. Damn, the lights. That's what's causing problems. Hey, let me play this back. Let me play this back. He said, if you ain't giving pussy, baby, you ain't coming with me. Oh, bro. What are you talking about? We finna hit that E-way, man. Highway POV, we finna go crazy.
I put on the beat, then get it typing in my phone. My nephew told me I stink. I told him Kush is my cologne. Put my phone on D&D. That shit mean leave me alone. I don't blame no bitch for leaving me. You help get me in my zone.
I'ma put his link in the description too, you feel me?
I'm trying to get a bitch my bone.
I'ma put his link in the description.
Watch your tone. I don't wanna rent this spot I'm in. Bitch, I'm trying to own. Niggas NPC don't got a brain for real. These niggas drones. They just hide their hands and plead the fifth. They done throwing stones.
We finna activate. You see that? Trankiana, come on, steering. Stop playing with me. Activation.
Never be my bitch up. I ain't not no Sean Combs. Bitch, I posted in the field. Like my homies garden on. Sneak up to the window. I'm just trying to see what niggas on. Finna hit up breaking in the cause all my money gone. I got glasses in the Glock 2-1. Feel like that nigga Vaughn. But I'm off the east. I say real shit when I speak. I feel like a priest. I can't fuck with you if you ain't got no breeze. I'm just trying to get some money. If you not, stay away from me. Drop a dick off to your bitch. You know she callin' Uber Meats. Bitch, that's me. Please don't test the G. Marley, you 6 feet. I don't wanna deal with drama. Leave that shit just where you be. If you ain't giving up no pussy, bitch, you ain't coming with me. I'm just chasing cash. I'm just trying to go get me some green. And I can't leave the homies where I'm at. I gotta bring a team. And I can't trick off on no bitch. Got all of this pussy for free. Every bitch I ever fucked, I put in a verse. My bitch still hold that shit down for me. Throw my stick in a purse. My stick in a purse. My bitch still hold that shit down for me. Throw my stick in a purse.
I know my shit up. That's all y'all finna get, you feel me? Hey, I'ma put his stuff in the description for sure. I'ma need y'all to go cop that. I'ma keep playing this shit though. I'ma keep playing his songs and shit in the videos. But we gotta find a location and shit, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to be, you feel me? Get on this E-way, is up. On my mama, it's up. I hope y'all know it's up. Like, it do be PD going that way, going west and shit, but hey, they gonna have to catch a nigga today. Right there. 2 of them right there. Hey, this is my highway. Want niggas to know this is my highway. So move over, folks. Come on. If you ain't moving around, it's time to get out of my lane, bro. Exactly. Come on. You know you finna do it. Come on. You finna have to change this bitch. There we go. Hey, niggas move out your way when you in a big body, bro. They move out your way. I swear to God, they don't. They ain't not finna say you gonna have to wait a minute. If you want it in them little ass like my other car, them niggas don't move out my way if I'm flying, bro. Nigga, you gotta wait. Get your little body ass. But when I'm in this bitch, niggas is out the way, bro. On my mama. They know I'm cutting up. Look, that's the third car. When they see me cutting up for real, well, he got his ass probably finna turn right here, but man, when they see me cutting up, they get out the way. You just gotta pay attention who motherfuckers is up here. It's dark as hell. This low key might be a little short, you know. Our exit coming up though. Out of Saks Fifth, put 2,000 on my feet. I'm a motherfucking boss. It's gonna cost to talk to me. Hey, this my highway, bro. I'm cutting up every time, bro. Cutting up, king cut up in this bitch. This is my E-way, bro. If I ain't had to stop right here and get off this exit right here, I would have floored this bitch. 120, 130, shooting down this motherfucker. I'm telling you. PD be like further up that way, type shit, like going towards like northern Illinois or some shit. Roll this motherfucker down, see. A little bit. I just wanted y'all to hear me cut up and shit, you know. Let me play another man, motherfucker, I'm driving, but damn, bro. Play that Nip G while I'm on these residentials, you know what I'm saying?
I'm a dirtbag, baby. I know you don't really like me. Popping now they wanna fight me for the fees they might have died me. I've been by myself.
If I had a wine on this bitch. Man, that should be raw as hell. Coming soon though. Hellcat coming soon. Cut up on residential, bro. I cannot cut up on residential. It's like niggas just going slow, bro. I'm finna start breaking the rules in this bitch. Start riding on shoulders, bro. I'm finna start riding on shoulders in a minute. Hey, next video, if y'all see me riding on shoulders, next video, man, I told y'all this video I'm finna be riding on shoulders in a minute. That shit's ridiculous to me, bro. I can't do shit on these residentials. The niggas drive like slow as hell. Like, what are we driving slow for? That's crazy to me. Boy, that shit loud as hell. That's all a nigga need was an opening on bro. This shit at. Oh yeah, we at the destination now, man. Hey, for sure. I'ma hit y'all back, man. We gonna end this video right here. Pool party, we finna get to it, man. I might show y'all a little something of this, who knows. But hey, this the last of the video. I appreciate y'all for riding with me. We finna get it back to it for the next video, man. Let me know in the comments. Spam them blue hearts in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all want to see from here on out. We going up faster. You faster and faster. You feel me? I'm loving it. Let's get to it.